I grew up in Omaha. I played football and attended Creighton Prep, and then I had an opportunity to go away for school. I had gotten accepted to a top 20 law school out in Washington, D.C. It's George Washington University, so I went there and got my law degree there. One of the things, though, that I noticed no matter where I went was just the quality of people that you meet in Omaha. It's just not the same anywhere else. So to be able to come back here, have a practice here in Omaha, and provide outstanding services to people, it's just so rewarding to me. I've been a divorce and family law attorney now for over 20 years, so I can handle any type of divorce case that a person might face. I've been a mediator, I've done collaborative divorces, I of course have litigated cases, I've been a settlement facilitator, I've been an arbitrator, and I've even been appointed by the courts to represent children as a guardian ad litem. And I think that's what's so powerful to me, that really I can match, or the client can match me with whatever is appropriate for their specific situation. The reason I'm so passionate about divorce and family law is that for most people, this may be the only time in their lives that they actually hire an attorney, and they're doing it often at the very worst times in their life. So for me to be able to come in and take control of that situation, help them to figure out how to come through this process and keep their family intact as much as possible and get them the sort of results that they need, it's just the most rewarding thing you can do in the practice of law. So when I was in college, my plan was actually to become a doctor, and I was pre-med for a couple of years, but one thing that became pretty clear was science wasn't really my strongest suit. So really what my skills lent themselves to is the practice of law. So I switched careers, or I switched tracks. I was able to go to law school and come out, and I haven't looked back for 20 years. I think what makes me different than the way other attorneys have practiced is that I am completely client focused. So that means early on in a case, I'm going to develop the outcomes that are best for my client. And if that means we have to go to court, then we're going to go to court. If it means we have to find an alternative way or be creative in resolving something, then that's what we're going to do. And it really is something that sets, I think, me and our entire law firm apart from other firms in Omaha.